Welcome to episode 2 of the Langbase series, and today we're talking about something foundational: AI primitives versus AI frameworks, and why AI primitives win when it comes to real world AI agents. If we go to chai.new and simply give this prompt to chat with my document, you'll see that Chai will wipe code the agent for you without any complexity or configuration. It doesn't rely on an AI framework, it uses AI primitives, the building blocks by Langbase. In this case, you'll see that Chai will create the memory, which is an AI primitive, in Langbase to store your document, and from there everything will just work out. If we look at Perplexity, Lovable, Bolt, V0, or even Chai now, they don't use any frameworks and they use small composable AI primitives because they scale and they just stay out of the way. Frameworks are hard and they sort of like add friction. Once it has wipe coded the agent, let's confirm and deploy. And in the meanwhile, let me just give you an example of Amazon S3. It serves as a great example because it is just a low-level tool to upload and download data, but it powers half the internet. Exactly like AI primitives, Langbase gives you the same level of abstraction with simple AI primitives like the memory tools, parsing, chunking, vector store. These are the AI primitives, composable AI primitives by Langbase, through which you can build AI agents, and those AI agents can scale automatically. Now, if I go back to the agent I built with chai.new, you can see after deploying the agent, it created an agent app on its own, and we have the code for the agent as well. This is the code Chai generated, and the first step is that it's retrieving the relevant information from the document memory it created, and it creates the memory using the langbase.memories AI primitive. This primitive handles storing the user's document, and you can see that the memory is going to show up here. If I click this memory, I can upload my document in here. I'm getting this processing indication, which means that the Langbase parser primitive is going to convert this PDF into text, and then the chunker primitive will break it down into smaller segments for like semantic search. After a while, if I refresh it, the processing is done and my document is ready. If I go back to the code, the second step is that it generates response based on the document context. First, the memory was created, and in the second step, the pipe agent is being created. Here, the agent.run primitive is being used. The agent will retrieve the content from that memory and answer questions using that context. You're also getting the API that you can use in your preferred language, and with it, you are getting a full agent app. And through this agent app, I can chat with my document. So now you know that AI agents built with primitives are composable, scalable, and production ready by default, whereas the frameworks are slow, rigid, and they're quite limiting. So start building production ready AI agents with AI primitives by Langbase. See you in the next video.